Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming your Redmi Note 14 runs a recent MIUI build and has sufficient battery to avoid interruptions. Next, open both apps you intend to use in split screen so they're active in memory. Once done, tap the Recent Apps button or swipe up to reveal app cards. This shows the actual multitasking view. Make sure the apps support split screen. Some full-screen games or secure banking apps block it. And from the Recent Apps view, tap the three-dot menu on the first app's card and choose Split Screen. This pins that app to one half of the display. Then select the second app from Recent or the App drawer, and it will occupy the other half automatically. Once both apps are visible, drag the center divider to resize each pane for comfortable reading or interaction. If an app refuses to move, exit and reopen it. Some apps may need a fresh launch to enable split screen. To complete your session, use the divider handle to swap app positions or long press an app's title bar for quick options. This helps when one app requires the top focus. When you're done, drag the divider fully to the top or bottom to close split screen, or press home to return to a single app. If split screen won't start, reboot the phone, check for MIUI updates, or try a different app because some apps block multitasking for security or performance reasons.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.